Hello, welcome to the Cylinder Head Processing Workshop of Chongqing Ziptic Technology Co. Limited. Next, I will explain the cylinder head processing process for you. Please follow me. First of all, we will print a two-dimensional code on the cylinder head before processing. This marks each cylinder head. And then the first step is we drill 3 holes in this chamber. These are the 3 machining holes. Next is rough milling. Our cylinder had combustion chamber surface, and then we need to rework our locator holes. Then came the rough milling of our cylinder head frame and machining spark plug holes. Rough milling of the frame of our cylinder head, and then rough milling of the intake surface and exhaust surfaces. After the rough milling, we will process the machining holes marked by the 2 end faces. It is known to all that our cylinder heads have many holes. Just now we finished machining the 2 end holes. Next we will process these 2 long all holes. We can see that it is directly through to the other side. The next step is roughing up our spring seat. You can see that this cylinder head has 16 valves. So now the 16 spring seats will be machined. Then the frame surface is machined. It is to process the holes on the back of the combustion chamber. After we finish machining the holes above and below and the left and right ends, then the exhaust holes are machined, and the holes in the intake surface. This process is for our cylinder head semi-finished oil chamber airway leakage detection of a test. We can see that the product is now displayed as qualified. Then we drill the bottom hole. The next step is to conduct leakage tests in our waterways, oil channels and e.g. our chambers. Next is the processing of tube and direct injection hole. You can see that the machine is being processed. After processing the various holes of the cylinder head, next we come to the installation of valve seat and valve guide. You can see that our machines are busy in production. Every step of our cylinder head is very detailed and essential. Next is the machining to measure the hole position of our camshaft. This process is to clean and air dry our cylinder head. You can see the worker ahead doing the actual operation of this process. The next step is to inspect the cylinder head with our specialized instrument, the endoscope. Then the leak test of the finished product is carried out. Finally, the finished cylinder head inspection and packaging. Above is our company cylinder head products processing explanation. Welcome to consult the order.by.